The FIFA World Cup fever is truly everywhere right now, and Vancouver is completely in celebration mode. One of the most unique setups we saw was at Science World, which has been transformed into a giant FIFA World Cup ball. It looks absolutely amazing, especially with people gathering around, clicking pictures, and enjoying the festive vibe. You will see everyone so excited, posing and capturing memories in their own style. We also went there ourselves, spent some time exploring the area, clicked a couple of photos, and recorded some videos to capture this fun moment in the city. And if you think that was it, the celebration continues at Canada Place. Right outside, they have set up the iconic Vancouver sign along with another beautiful photo spot. Perfect for capturing those classic Vancouver memories with the waterfront in the background. It was also such a lovely surprise to see a group of girls all dressed up, getting ready for their graduation ceremony at Canada Place. It really added such a joyful and special vibe to the place. It was a bright, sunny day, perfect for walking around, exploring, and just enjoying the energy of the city. And by the way, if you haven't seen it already, I have also shared a full video of our earlier visit to Science World, where we actually explored the exhibits inside. Make sure to check that out as well. So that's a little glimpse of how Vancouver is celebrating the FIFA World Cup vibes around the city. From the giant Science World FIFA ball to the beautiful setups at Canada Place. It was such a fun and memorable day exploring everything. Hope you enjoyed this vlog as much as we enjoyed making it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more travel updates from Vancouver. See you in the next one.